Well, hello and welcome to this course on the emergency medical system. In this short course, we're going to talk about how the emergency medical system is structured. We're going to give you an overview of the various persons or types of persons who are involved in the emergency medical system and what their legal responsibilities are and their level of training. We're also going to talk to you extensively about the legality. We're going to talk with you about international, national, and local legality for each individual groups and how they relate. We're going to talk about specifics, specifically the lay responder and who the lay responder is, which is generally everybody in society. That's you, me, anyone who doesn't have specialized training. We're going to talk about responders who are certified and responders and certified responders and explain the difference. And we're going to talk about EMTs, emergency medical technicians, how they fit into the system. We're going to talk about the nurse. We're going to talk about their long-standing role as a medical practitioner and how they relate to today's world. And then finally, the person at the apex of the emergency medical system throughout the world, that is the doctor. We're going to give you some information about how each of these people fit into the system and what your relationship will be to them, what you can expect from them, what they should be able to expect from you. The emergency medical system has evolved over a number of years and is very complex, and it is rare that we take the time to explain to individual students exactly how that system is structured, who the people are in the system, and what their responsibility is. So that's what we're going to do in this course. But before we do, we're going to take some time and introduce your instructor. Hello, that's my smiling countenance there. My name is Arthur Jackson. I am an electrical engineer, having a bachelor's of science in electrical engineering. I worked in a number of projects, specialty projects, from design of control centers and complex control applications on and offshore. I am also an attorney who has practiced cases in law representing plaintiffs across the country, from the East Coast to the West Coast, from the Gulf Coast to the Canadian border. I have also been a college chair. I chaired schools in colleges in criminal justice as well as electronics technology. And I have been a college dean, a campus dean for at least for a while before my retirement, and taught a number of courses at the undergraduate and graduate level all the way up to the PhD level. I am also currently the CEO of Arthur Jackson CTC. That is a company that I created a few years ago to teach health and safety training to companies and individuals throughout the United States. I currently have contracts not only with Udemy University, where we have a number of classes and over 12,000 students who have gone through those classes, but I also provide training in Washington State for Washington State employees throughout the state of Washington, as well as for a number of other companies. So I'm going to be your instructor for this course, and we hope that you will enjoy this course and that you will find the information in the course useful and beneficial to you. Now, without further ado, we're going to move forward with the course.